today we're gonna do the Halloween DIY pop house for today. And the things of today is a glue stick, and a scissors, and a black paper. Because the black paper, we're gonna do a construction paper. And an oil pastel. You can call it oil pastel or chalk color. A chalk one. Yeah, that's right. But because today we have two colors, a chalk color and the calling. Like the color pencil is the color pencil. Because the color pencil, we have 36. And this one, we have 16. Oh, so few. 36 and 16. Right. And, whoa. And this one, a template. Two plates. 2 page. Whoa. Because this one and this one. I will show you what is it. This one is a moon with wish, the moon with that, and the moon and it don't have anything. The moon that don't have anything. A coffin. This one is called coffin. Can you call coffee first? Coffee, right? And you can call coffin. Coffin, like coffee, but it's called coffin. Yes, and the ghost. And the small holes. And a pumpkin. A big house. A text. Boo! And this one is called the text. Happy Halloween! Happy Halloween. You can print out of this website. Here. Okay? Alright, the first step, take the template here and then fold in half. Here, Mom, the camera, yes. Fold in half along the dashes line of the rectangle paper. See, it will finish. Step 2, cut the 4 dashes line here. Cut along the 4 dashes line. Cut along. Wait for me. And this one, we call it finished now. Like this. Here. The step 3 is start to decorate the background. Because we need to color it. And then our background is finished. This one is our background. So we need to put it here first because it's finished now. And we're gonna do another template here. It's my favorite template. Finished now. And color the men finished, right? And we're gonna cut them out. Cut them out. And the last picture is Happy Halloween. Happy Halloween. Alright. Right. So now, here, Happy Halloween. Look. Happy Halloween. Yes, yes. And it's not finished. Oh, this one is finished. But don't forget the black paper. Construction paper. Yes, we gotta do that. Who answered that, I'll give you 10 coins. And then 4 in half. Ding, ding. Oh yeah. Alright. Take the glue because we gotta put over here first. Okay. Alright, now I take the glue finish and then let it dry. Open it. Yep. And here, paper case. Alright, now finish. And we gotta do let it die again. Let's see. Oh, the coffin. Okay, the coffin. Ta-da! Like the picture. Here. Okay, the coffin. Everybody, do you like this skip? And do you think it's easy? Hard or easy, you think? A little bit hard and a little bit easy, right? Because we need to cut. Whoa. Can everybody cut? You can, if you can cut, great. It's quiz time. Only one question, okay? What date of Happy Halloween? 31st of October. Because this month is October. 31st of October is the date of Happy Halloween, okay? Now, it's time to say good luck. What is it? Good B-Y-E. Goodbye. It's time to say goodbye. It's time to say goodbye. If you like my tip video, just like, subscribe, share, the bell, comment. And if you like my t-shirt, just buy it because it has the wings like the bat. But look at my feet. A vampire, right? A vampire. Oh, the wall. Bye bye.